What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I have the 3 best monthly dividend stocks for you. And this has been requested for months. So I'll give you my list of the top 3. I'll probably do a future video on 3 monthly dividend stocks that I'm kind of turned off on because of dividend growth, or I don't like the location, so I'll probably go over that in the future. These 3 monthly dividend stocks have great dividend growth. And of course, I need to buy more with one of them, and you probably know which one that is. I'll go over the revenue trends as well. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check these monthly dividend stocks out right now. First one I'm going to go over is Agree Realty Corporation. They're sitting at $58.98. I need to buy more of them. Average volume is 968.34K. The market cap is $5.93 billion US dollars. Year range is 52.69 to 75.71. Day range is 58.93 to 59.92. Previous close is 58.16. So I'm going to go over why I really like these guys, and I would consider them a competitor to Realty Income. So I'll go over that. So first off, here's their target retail sectors. So they go after wholesale clubs, farm and rural supply, convenience stores, auto parts, grocery stores, off-price retail, tire and auto services. Again, I've done numerous videos with Getty Realty and all these other REITs with the arms race with tire and auto services locations, and they also do home improvement. So I'm going to go over some news with Agree Realty Corporation that's very positive. So first, as of September 30th, 2023, the company's portfolio consisted of 2,084 properties located in 49 states and contained approximately 43.2 million square feet of gross leasable area. At the quarter end, the portfolio was 99.7% leased, which is really good, at a weighted average remaining lease term of approximately 8.6 years, and generated 68.9% of the annualized base rents from investment-grade retail tenants. Also, I want to go over the core FFO and AFFO. So the core FFO for the 3 months ending in September 30th, 2023 increased 23.3% to $96.4 million compared to the core FFO of $78.2 million for the comparable period in 2022. Core FFO per share for the 3 months ending in September 30th increased 2.1% to 99 cents compared to the core FFO of 97 cents for the comparable period of 2022. So that's an increase, which is good. We like to see that with the FFO. Core FFO for the 9 months ended September 30th, 2023 increased 24.4% to $276.8 million compared to the core FFO of $222.4 million for the comparable period in 2022. Core FFO per share for the 9 months ending in September 30th, 2023 increased 0.8% to $2.94 compared to the core FFO per share of $2.92 for the comparable period of 2022. Now, AFFO for the 3 months ending in September 30th, 2023 increased 25.8% to $97.6 million compared to the AFFO of $77.6 million for the comparable period in 2022. AFFO per share for the 3 months ended in September 30th increased 4.2% to $1 compared to the AFFO share per 96 for the comparable period in 2022. AFFO for the 9 months ended in September 30th, 2023 increased 26.3% to $278.4 million compared to the AFFO of $220.5 million for the comparable period in 2022. AFFO per share for the 9 months ended in September 30th increased 2.3% to $2.96 compared to the AFFO per share of $2.89 for the comparable period in 2022. So that's one thing that is very attractive. So I'm going to jump, and the other thing that they go over is the dividends represent payout ratios of approximately 74% of core FFO per share and 73% of AFFO per share. So again, good FFO, AFFO, and remember 90% of what a real estate investment trust makes goes back to investors. So we're going to jump to the revenue trends and dividend history. So I've done numerous trends on the revenue yearly, which has increased every year, but I'm going to go over quarterly financials. So revenue, December 2022, revenue was $116.53 million. March, it was $126.62 million. So that was up 28.75% year to year. June, it was $129.9 million. It was up 23.86 year to year. And again, September 2023, it was $136.81 million. It was up 24.3%. So you're seeing an increase in revenue. I like that. Now I'm going to jump to the dividend history. As you see with Agree Realty Income, they were a quarterly dividend stock, which converted to a monthly dividend stock. And I do believe that this put them on the map. So 2017 quarterly, 50 cents. 2017, 51. 2018, 52. 2018, 54 cents. 2019, 56 to 57 cents. 2020, 59 cents to 60 cents. 2021, 62 cents. And then boom. In February, they became a monthly dividend stock. And I've posted numerous videos on them. And I pretty much was one of the first people, and you can correct me if I'm wrong, to expose them and reveal to the investing community and dividend investing community that they converted to a monthly dividend stock. So 2021, they were 21 cents. Then they jumped to 22 cents. 21. And then in 2021, they jumped to 23 cents. Then in 2022, they were 23 cents to, it looks like in November, they jumped to 24 cents. So they were 24 cents monthly. And then they just in November, they announced to 25 cents. So number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 11. Dividend growth in 5 years is 6.75%. So if you bought one share, you made $296 with a 5.03% dividend yield. So I'm going to jump to the next monthly dividend stock. Next one I'm going to jump to is Main Street Capital Corporation. This is a business development company, a monthly dividend business development company. It's sitting at 40.68. Dividend yield is 6.93%. Low PE ratio of 9.20. That's fine. They're way down. They're trying to rebound, and I love it. Average volume average volume 343.84K. Market cap is 3.35 billion US dollars. Year range is 35.41 to 43.15. Day range is $40 to 40.88, so it's not jumping up too much. Previous close is 40.32. So I'm going to jump to the revenue trends and dividend history. So revenue trends, pretty good. And again, this is a business development company, so 90% of what they make have to come back to us. So 2016, annually in millions US dollars, 178, 2017, 205, 2018, 233, 2019, 243, 2020, blame the pandemic, it was 222, 2021, 289, and then 2022, 376. That's a huge increase in revenue. I'll even jump to the most recent revenue trends. So here's the quarterly financials. December 2022 is 113.88 million. It was up 38.6%. March, it was 120.25 million. It was up 51.46%. June, it was 127.58 million. It was up 49.75% year to year. And then September, I'm waiting on this. So I'll check the most recent news as well. So I'm going to jump to a few things. And according to NASDAQ.com, for the quarter ended in September 2023, Main Street Capital reported revenue of $123.24 million, up 25.3% over the same year period last year. Earnings per share came in at 104 compared to 0.83 or 83 cents a year ago. Okay, the year ago quarter. So that's pretty good. So again, this is quite impressive. I had to jump to more sources. Now I'm going to jump to their dividend history. So I'm going to start in 2016. It was 18 cents monthly dividends, then to 19 cents. Then you got a nice little supplemental dividend 2016, 28 cents. 2017, 19 cents. Nice supplemental dividend of 28 cents. Then 19 cents, still stagnant for a little bit. Then they cracked 20 cents in 2018. And then they jumped to 28 cents. So they're stagnant at 20 cents in 2019. Got a nice little supplemental dividend, 25 cents. And they jumped to 21 cents in 2019. Then to 24 cents. Then to 21 cents. And then they've been stuck at 21 cents. Then you got a nice little supplemental dividend of 10 cents. Then in 2022, the start of 2022, they cracked 22 cents. Then you have a nice little supplemental dividend at 8 cents in the month of March. Then 22 cents and then 8 cents in June of 2022. So you have 22 cents. Then you get a special dividend of 10 cents in 2022. So they're still at 22 cents. And then at the end of 2022, you get a supplemental dividend of 10 cents. So that's not bad. Then in 2023, it's 23 cents. And then in March, you get a supplemental dividend of 18 cents. And then in 2023, you're still at 23 cents. And then right here in September, you're getting 28 cents with a supplemental dividend. And then in November, it jumped to 24 cents. And I have some more news for you. Dividend growth in 5 years is 2.72%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 10. You bought one share, you made 282 with a 6.93% dividend yield. So I'm going to jump to the most recent news. So this is interesting. So they declared monthly dividends totaling like almost 71 cents per share in the fourth quarter of 2023, or 23.5 per share for each October, November, and December of 2023, representing a 6.8 increase from the regular monthly dividends paid in the fourth quarter of 2022. So you're seeing increases, which is good. Now let's jump to the next dividend stock and final dividend stock. Final dividend stock is Realty Income. It's sitting at 50.85. Average volume 6.66 million. The market cap is 36.81 billion US dollars. Year range is 45.04 to 68.85. Day range is 50.79 to 51.37. Previous close is 50.04. So one big thing is they are acquiring Spirit Realty Capital. Kind of upset about that. I like a lot more competition, but this helps Realty Income in the long run. So I did find a replacement for Spirit Realty Capital. So watch my previous videos, if you're new to this channel, as to why I bought a replacement for Spirit Realty Capital. So I'm going to go over the most recent revenue trends and dividend history. So most recent trends, I'm going to do quarterly financials. September 2022, 836.61 million. It was up 70.7%. December, it was 888.54 million. It was up 29.5%. March, it was 944.4 million. It was up 16.84%. June, it was 1.02 billion. It was up 26.85%. So you're seeing the quarterly financials jumping up for them. And I'm going to jump to their dividend history. So they call themselves a monthly dividend stock for a reason. So 2015, it was 19 cents. 2016, it was 19 cents. Then it jumped to 20 cents in 2016. And then 2017, it was 21 cents. 2018, it was 22 cents. 2019, it was 23 cents. And then 2021, it was 24 cents. Then 2022, it jumped to 25 cents there. And then it jumped to 2026. I'm sorry, 2026, it jumped to 26. So the dividend growth in 5 years is 3.05%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 23. If you bought one share, you made 307 with a 6.04% dividend yield. So these are the three dividend stocks that I like. And I've been buying. I need to buy more with Realty Corporation. So I like them. The revenue trends are good. Dividend growth is good. Some of them, with the other ones, their dividend growth is not too hot. Turn off. So that's one thing that I tend to avoid, some monthly dividend stocks that are a turnoff. But they're good because they're monthly dividend stocks. So, that's one thing that I have to look into in the future when it comes to monthly buying monthly dividend stocks or REITs because I do need to buy them to turbocharge my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. So that's one thing I'm considering doing, is even buying the monthly dividend stocks that are kind of a turnoff for me. But and no, not Prospect Capital, not AGNC. So don't worry about that. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. Take care and go Browns. It's Sunday. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use this YouTube channel in any form of financial advice. This is strictly for entertainment purposes only. I am very transparent with my dividend stock buys, and it is very important and imperative that you do your due diligence when you invest in dividend stocks, because you can gain money, you can lose money investing in the stock market. It is important to seek financial advice from a financial advisor or somebody who gives financial advice. This is not financial advice. This YouTube channel does not give you any form of financial advice. This is strictly entertainment purposes only. Take care and have a good one.